A trip to Sardinia, it's like no other trip because Sardinia is like no other destination. Sardinia is famous in summer as a summer destination because of its coastline and beaches. I agree, beautiful beaches, but Sardinia is so much more than that. Sardinia is intense, Sardinia is vibrant. Sardinia has an ancient civilization, much older than the Roman civilization. Sardinia is packed with archaeological sites. Some are famous, some are easy to reach, some are still hidden in the rich vegetation of Sardinia. Limiting your holiday in Sardinia to just lie down in the beach, it's a little bit of a waste. Of course, if you come in summer, that's the most natural thing you can do because it's very hot. But Sardinia is beautiful all year round because all year round there are traditional festivals, there is a culture to explore, there are countless places on the coast and inland to visit. I'm Angela, a travel journalist and travel designer from Sardinia. After many years in Rome, I moved back to my hometown to settle back here in Sardinia. Among my Sardinia travel planning services, I craft custom itineraries tailored to your needs, your passions. How do we start? We have a chat where I ask you many questions about what you're looking for in Sardinia, what experiences you want to have. Then, according to your answers, I craft an itinerary with places to visit, things to do that I think better fit your Sardinian holiday, your dream holiday. But I am also going to suggest practical information such as what I think are the best hotels for your needs, the best restaurants to discover traditional food and traditional cuisine of Sardinia, public transportation versus private vehicle, information on the roads, and everything you need to plan and to have a perfect, seamless, and smooth holiday in Sardinia. Most of all, I provide on-the-ground support. So when you are in Sardinia, you have a problem, you need something, you need some translation, you don't get lost. You don't need to check countless travel blogs, travel forums, TripAdvisor, pages, Facebook groups. I'm easy to reach via WhatsApp, so whatever you need, you send me a message, you call me, I'm here. Follow the link to discover more about my services and to book my itineraries. Ciao for now.